The Unleashed mobile sales app gives you access to your products and stock on hand anywhere, anytime, allowing you to check your stock levels and pricing on the go. Log into your mobile app and tap the hamburger menu, then select Products. This list will show you all of your sellable products from your Unleashed account with real-time stock availability. Scroll down to view your products or use the search bar at the top to search for a specific product. You can swipe left or right on a product to quickly create an order with that specific product within it. To view a product's details, simply tap on the product you wish to view. Here, you can view important product information and scroll through your product images. Use this page to show your customers your products whilst you are with them. Tap on the availability icon to view your stock on hand and availability in each of your warehouse locations. Here you can give customers an indication of if you have their specific requirements in stock or if you need to back order, giving them a better idea of when to expect their order. Tap on price tiers to view your pricing structure for each of the pricing tiers you have set up. Confidently manage your customers' expectations when it comes to pricing by having it accessible at your fingertips whenever you see them. Using the app to view your products in this way enables you to have the correct information on hand without ever needing to call back to the office and interrupting your one-on-one time with your customers. Thank you for watching.